Hello and welcome to your channel Persian with Daryush. I hope you have watched the previous videos and you're now able to read and write Persian script. In this lesson I want to talk about how to make sentences in Persian. Persian is a very flexible language and has a very flexible word order, and that is thanks to the object identifier ra, which follows the object, direct object. For example, consider the sentence من سیب را خوردم. I, the apple, ate. As you can guess, in the sentence, the subject is at the beginning of the sentence, then we have the object, and in the end we have the verb. That is not the only word order you can use in Persian. You can use different word orders. You can put the verb, subject, object in different places. It almost always means the same thing with different emphasis on the subject, object, verb. But it is more common in speaking in Persian colloquial Persian to put the subject first, then the object, and then the verb. Another example would be من دوستم را دیدم. I, my friend, I saw. So if you've paid attention, you know that in this sentence we kind of have two subjects. We have the pronoun man, separate pronoun man, and then we have the suffix pronoun to the verb, suffix to the verb, am, didam. Didam means I saw. So that is why in Persian you can omit the pronoun that comes at the beginning of the sentence. You can say دوستم را دیدم. You can totally forget about man. And that is how Persian speakers usually speak. So we could say سیبم را خوردم، دوستم را دیدم، درسم را خواندم، کارهایم را کردم, and other sentences.